Hey there. Do you ever feel stuck trying to make sense of a big pile of information? Whether you're studying, teaching, or just brainstorming ideas, wouldn't it be amazing if all that complexity could be turned into something simple and visual? Well, guess what? Napkin.ai does exactly that. And today, I'll show you how to make it your new secret weapon. Napkin.ai is a powerful tool that transforms your ideas, notes, or even entire lectures into stunning visuals like diagrams, charts, and mind maps, all in just a few clicks. Think about it. Whether you're a student trying to ace your exams, a teacher crafting an engaging lesson, or someone who simply loves organizing their thoughts visually, this tool is a total game changer. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine you're studying dependent clauses. All you need to do is type dependent clauses as your prompt in napkin.ai. Then you'll see two buttons. First, click the click to continue button, and the AI will start generating the visual. Now we'll wait for a few seconds for the AI to work its magic. And there we go. Once it's done, you'll see another button. We'll wait a few more seconds while the AI works again. Now you've got your visual chart, but here's where the fun begins. You can customize it, choose the color scheme, pick the type of chart you prefer, and make it fit your style. The options are super easy to use and really let you personalize the visual to your exact needs. Now let's step it up a notch. Say you've got lecture notes on types of clauses in the English language. Instead of spending hours creating visuals manually, you simply paste your notes into napkin.ai. Once again, click the click to continue button and wait for the AI to generate. After that, you'll see another button. Click it. And just like magic, you'll have your visual ready to go. From there, choose your chart style, colors, and layout. And boom, you've got a professional visual in no time. Why are visuals so important? Because they make everything easier to understand and remember. Studies show that our brains process visuals faster than text. So instead of wading through a wall of words, wouldn't you rather see the same information presented in a neat, colorful diagram? Whether you're prepping for a big presentation, organizing your thoughts, or sharing ideas with your team, visuals help you communicate better. And Napkin.ai isn't just about pretty designs, it's about clarity and understanding. Here's the best part. Napkin.ai is completely free during its beta phase. That's right, no cost, no catch. All you have to do is click the link in the description, sign up, and start turning your ideas into amazing visuals today. Let's quickly break it down. What makes Napkin AI so great? It's super easy to use, it saves you tons of time, and right now, it's free. The only downside? It's still growing, so the visual styles are a bit limited. But with how fast they're improving, this won't be an issue for long. For most people, it's already more than enough to get the job done. If you're ready to level up your ideas and make them shine, don't wait. Try Napkin.ai for free by clicking the link below. And if this video is helpful, show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing to TechSite Dev for more amazing tools and tips. Tell me what you think of Napkin.ai in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.